Hey guys, Nick the Gamer here, and today we are gonna be building an elevator in Minecraft. So yeah, let's do this. So guys, subscribe if you're new, leave a big old like, and yeah, so let's get into this video. So first, what you are gonna be doing is dig 3 blocks right here. So 1, 2, 3, and now 4 blocks this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 2 blocks this way, and then back to the starting. Dig out the center blocks. Now dig this down 3 more layers, and you can skip this. You can skip this. You can just skip this, guys. That's 1. That's 2, and the last one. 3 layers. So there we go. So now, you can see if we can do this. We have 4 blocks down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we go. So first, we'll be placing our sticky piston right here, and then a block. Skip 1 and then place your obsidian block. On top of your obsidian block, place 2 slime blocks. Wait, on top of your obsidian block, place 2 slime blocks. Place your observer right here, just right under this slime block right here, and make sure it's facing up. After that, place your sticky piston on top of that observer. Place 2 slime blocks on top of that sticky piston. Now you can do it. So you can place your other observer right here. So place your observer right here, and then your sticky piston. Now you can place 2 more slime blocks on top of here. And now place a block right here. Place a block right here. Now on top of that block, place redstone. And now you can place 6 blocks right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you place a block right here. And then this is where we're going to be standing when the elevator goes up. So now you can place your button right here, and now we can go up. So do not press the button right now, because if you press it, it will just fly away. So do not press it right now. So I'm gonna go up 20 blocks. So yeah, you can go up. No, I'm gonna go up as much as I want. So guys, you can go up as much as you want. So yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna go up. I like short elevators, so I'm just gonna go up this much, because I like short elevators. Now let's do it on the other side. We can make it equal. There we go. Let's destroy that and that. There we go. So now, since we're equal, we will wait. There we go. So now, since we're equal, we can place a block not right here, not right there, but right here and right here and right here. So now you can place 4 blocks on top of this. So place 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So now, since we have 4 blocks right there, we can place a block right here, and now place a block right here, and right here, and right here, and right here. So now place a block right here with a button under it. So place a block right there with a button under it. Place redstone on top. Put redstone on top of these blocks. And now place your obsidian block with redstone on top of it. Place your obsidian block with redstone on top of it. And now this your block with redstone on top of it. And now your final block, your piston. So the piston, you want to put it right about here. So there we go. So guys, let's test this. So if we press this button, the piston should activate, and it should activate. So yeah. So now ready, guys? Let's go in the elevator. Let's do this. It might glitch because there might be a ghost block. So yeah. Let's go in the elevator. Go. Look it, guys. It's going up. Well, there's ghost blocks. I promise, guys, there's ghost blocks, so just destroy those. So now we can go back up. So now we can do that again. So ready? We're going down. Well, it pushed me out, but yeah, guys, that's how the elevator works. Sorry it's a little laggy. But if you're on Windows 8 and Windows 10, it will work. So guys,